Okay, this is exponents in exponential word problems. So here we go, page 395, number 39. So the first thing in which they give us is they give us a triangle going downward. We have 5c to the third d, and then we have 8c squared d to the fourth. So the nice thing is, on accident, I gave you guys the same problem in which we did in our notes. So try not to look at the notes, and let's go ahead and try again. I know that my formula is I'm going to take base, which is 5c to the third d times 8c squared d to the 4, and I'm going to divide this by 2. So 5 times 8 becomes 40. 40 divided by 2 becomes 20. c to the third, c squared becomes c to the 5. d to the first, d to the 4 becomes d to the 5. Number 40. Same thing, this is in our notes. Try to do without. Okay? So they want us to find the area as a monomial. So once again, we're going to take base times height. So we're going to take 2g squared h to the 5th times 3gh, and we're going to divide this by 2. 2 times 3 becomes 6. 6 divided by 2 becomes 3. And then we have g squared. G becomes g to the third. H to the 5. H to the 1 becomes h to the 6. Number 58. On accident, once again, this is in our notes. Try without using your notes. So they give us a cylinder, and on the cylinder we have to find the volume of this cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h, and we're okay in keeping pi to itself. So pi, my r squared is 2x squared, my h is 3x squared. So this becomes pi, I got to give it to both, which is 4x squared times 3x squared. So this would be 12 x to the 4th, and I like to put pi in the back. That's it. Number 59, they give us a rectangular prism. We have 5x to the third, we have 3x squared, and we have, 3x squared, and then we have x squared. So the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. So this means that I'm going to take 5x to the third times 3x squared times x squared. This would give me 15. X, that's 5, 6, 7, x to the 7th. Page 455. Page 455, number 2. We have to simplify 5a to the 7b c squared times negative 6 a squared b c to the 5. We multiply the front numbers, that's negative 30. A7, a squared is a9. B becomes b squared. C squared, c to the 5 becomes c to the 7th. And we're done. Number 4. X to the 6th, y to the 8th over x squared. If they are on top of each other, we go ahead and we subtract. This would be x to the 4th, y to the 8th. Finally, number 6 is 2xy to the negative 7 over 8x. I can simplify 2 over 8 becomes 1 over 4. X and x go away. The y to the negative 7 goes on bottom. And we are done.